Hi there. In this tutorial I'm going to explain how to use the Extrude NURBS. Now NURBS is an acronym, and the only thing that you have to remember is that the BS of NURBS is a B-spline. So they're all objects that use splines. Now I'm just going to introduce the Extrude, which doesn't do anything, and it needs splines. Now let's go to the front view, F4, and introduce, let's do a text object because it's the most obvious example I can give you. Default text is text. Let's put my first name there. And let's, I don't know, take a font type that I like, Rockwell. And I still got nothing because these are not hooked up yet. So I'm just dragging this text object. Take note of your cursor. Here it says you are about to drop the line into the Extrude NURBS. And I get this extrusion. Now the extrusion is actually the thickness of the whole Extrude object. And the front and the back are the caps. Very important to know because in the Extrude object itself you can do stuff to the extrusion, like extend it, extend the vector, because this is basically a vector, and you can do stuff to the caps. In another tutorial I will go in depth what you can do here with type and quadrangles. It's relatively important if you want to deform this block of text, but for now this is actually all you need to know.